Yo, yo. See what you said. Back home beside office today because it was 83 at 7 in the morning. So, it's gonna get hotter, I guess. TradeVate isn't working on TradingView for me. I don't know. I gotta see. It shows that I'm logged in. I gotta log in on my other shit too, though, real quick. I got a new affiliate, Trade Day. They got an interesting an account. Yeah, it's probably gonna log me off as soon as I take a fucking trade. Trade Day. Thing is fucking ripping up. Fuck's my password. Thing just fucking went down, bounced, now ripping right back up. I probably gotta bounce off the top too. I'm doing a giveaway today too. It's a yogurt. Alright, I'm all logged in. Assuming it's gonna reject off the orb high. Did anything come about, Mr. Dad, with the what Trump was supposed to release? It said something about China messing with their elections, but what does it matter to us? All right, Michigan sediment coming out in 1 minute.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the University of Michigan sentiment prelim. 10 seconds. $54.4, $54.4, higher than forecast 51. 1 year inflation expectations at 4.2%, 4.2%, lower than forecast 4.4%. 5 year 3.3%, 3.3% as expected. Expectations at 54, which is higher than forecast 51.9, and conditions at 54.9, 54.9, higher than forecast 48.7.
This collapses, I'm gonna go in short. It looks like it wants to keep going. Jesus.
And we've posted the University of Michigan sentiment survey, July
Yeah,
prelim,
about how
on the
they
feed
know
for those
how and
interested.
when. It's because midterms is coming up and saying we will be watching. Yeah, but I thought he was gonna come out and say like some fucking who he knew did it. I saw that they said blame China.
US stocks little changed after the University of Michigan's prelim consumer sentiment report.
Thing's wild. I want my camera work. I hate when I gotta restart this over and over again. $1.23. God, this thing's annoying. I know. I don't really see long here for me though yet. That thing is ripping, dude.
Sufed Hammock on LinkedIn says there's no conflict in our mandate. Further saying inflation is too high and the labour market is right around my level of maximum unemployment. Furthermore, Hammock says our PCE now cash shows core inflation at 3.3% after incorporating this week's data, and persistently high inflation is the bigger concern. Hammock says, when formulating my policy view, I consider the data as well as conversations I've had with businesses and community leaders in the 4th Federal Reserve District.
Alright, what we're waiting for is either we want it to retouch the top of this orb high and bounce for continuation, or if it starts to close behind this sweep candle that broke that 15-minute high, would short this.
Hammock says, I'm
So
hearing
we
from
gotta just watch.
conversations with
News just
business and
came out.
community leaders that inflation isn't coming from only one source, it's broad-based. Business leaders point to energy costs and supply chain disruptions as factors, but also cite pressures from insurance and the AI data center buildup. Hammock says at the same time, I'm seeing good growth numbers and stable consumer spending.
Oh, so University of Michigan 1-year inflation, they're saying it's going to be lower.
And Fed Hammock says, I'm seeing good growth numbers and stable consumer spending.
Okay, so this is bullish. All right, I'm going to go long here.
Fedhamac adds that I'm hearing from businesses who say that they think we need to take action to curb inflation, and from consumers who can't make ends meet about a growing sense of despair.
What the fuck? Can you trade at all, or is it just Tradeovate, like, connected to TradingView? Wow. Right in the butthole. Right in the butthole. Hopefully they get a fix soon. That would have been a nice long I just had there. That sucks. Thanks, Tradeovate. Nobody can even find me. This is a problem. No, I can't find myself in the, to say I type in day trader or day trading in the search bar. Every other live streamer that's day trading, you see them on that page to click on. You do not see me on there. At least probably to
Definitely frustrating,
28
especially when you see
851.
others showing up. Hear how much that's bothering you. Make sure you're appearing in those search results. You can try optimizing your profile description and video captions with relevant keywords, like your specific trading style or market focus.
Bitch, tell me how I show up in that section.
To improve your chances of appearing in the live section, make sure you're actively broadcasting when people are searching. Use relevant keywords in your live title and description, and keep your audience engaged to boost your stream's ranking.
I get that. I just started. Everybody else, if you type in day trading or day trader in the search bar, they come up. I do not come up.
It's understandable to want to be right there in the results, but for newer accounts, the search algorithm often prioritizes streams with higher viewer counts, longer watch times, or more consistent activity over time. It usually takes time and consistent engagement to build up that ranking.
I'm gonna fucking kill this thing.
I know you're feeling incredibly frustrated right now, but let's take a quick breath. If you'd like, we can step away from this and look at other ways to grow your channel when you're
No,
ready.
you stupid fuck. I want a simple answer. I just started the stream. When I do day trader or day trading, when I search it up, search whatever in the search bar on TikTok, I see everybody else's day trading stream that's live except for mine.
New streams typically need some initial viewer engagement and a bit of history before they start showing up in general search results.
How could they be in search results if nobody knows that I'm on?
Those other streams likely have more initial viewers, better engagement, or a longer stream history on the platform, which helps them rank higher in the search results.
I'm not in the search results at all.
It's really understandable that you'd be frustrated not seeing your new stream in the search results right away. Platforms often require a bit of initial activity or history before a new stream starts appearing in the main list for a popular topic.
I hate you.
Truly sorry to hear that you're feeling so frustrated right now. I'm here to help in any way I can, and we can always take a step back if you need.
No, you're just like giving me generic answers. Actually do something with your life.
I hear your anger. I'm sorry my previous responses haven't been helpful. Step back for now, but I'm here if you'd like to talk again later.
I just want an answer. It's literally you can't find me in the search results.
I understand you're looking for a straight.
Stupid fuck, bro. So tired of this shit.
The Dow Jones turns positive, erasing its earlier loss.
I wouldn't even care if I was dead last. I really don't care. I'm not on here. And then it wants to understand like why I get so fucking mad. Stupid fuck. Not on there, bro. Maverick, did you close your eyes? Dang, no fucking point of streaming.
S&P 500 now pairs decline to 0.5%.
This is my first time playing podcast. If it bounces here, I might get it long. It didn't bounce off my level. I think it might fall more. I don't know, bro. Think about this whole entire thing too, though. They're basically saying inflation is gonna be lower than expected. It's not like I can fucking get in anyway. Whoa, can I get in? Can we get in? Wait, can you log in, Mr. Dad, or no? You can. Okay. The login operation has been canceled. What the fuck? It won't let me. I'm so annoyed with fucking TikTok. I think TikTok is
The
like really
Canadian dollar
ruining like
strengthens
my
to a 1-month
time.
high against the US dollar.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase. and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
No, it won't let me get on. It won't let me get on. And look, this is going to be a perfect short, too. Watch. I long the market stalls. I close market rips. Love it. How much am I up? I blow my accounts on the crappy trading day, then miss out on this. I know, right? But this is about to be short. If it closes, we're gonna go down at least to 764s. Just fucking come on, man. I need to get on to trade. Even get on my phone. My chart's even working. What the fuck is going on? All right, so that's a short. If it does break above this, then we're gonna rip up. So I would be in a short. Rip above this, I'm gonna go long again. Yeah, it won't let me get in, dude. So I would be shorting this. Just pops above here. If it even breaks, I think it's gonna keep going up. And it doesn't care. Yeah, so this is a long still. So small loss, but going long is going to keep going. If that freaking falls after that, that's manipulation pretty bad. It's probably going to get real tricky here. Let me go on my other account and search. It's a Tiger's blood. I can't trade right now. It won't let me. Now, I wouldn't mind if I searched up day trading, right? And my stream came up, fine. And I had one viewer. I wouldn't care. I really wouldn't care. You can't find me. Now I see myself. What the fuck? Not on a day trader though. Wow, this manipulated pretty bad with that little spike. Alright, as long as I'm on there, I'll shut the fuck up. Can't trade yet, guys. It's frozen. Ugh. How many years working? Mine won't let me log in. Some people are trading. I'm guessing it's like a regional reset. There it goes. I can't log in on my phone either. I tried. Hopefully soon it works. All right, TP hit. It's working? Back in business, baby. Back in business. We never were in business though. But now we're back. Okay, that was a win. You have manipulation. Oh, that candle tried to break above and then it couldn't. The only thing I didn't like is it went above by a fucking centimeter. I don't know if I would have got out or not. Okay, so we got another possibility of a long here. I don't want to try it. We're in one long. I'm getting it a little bit early. That's good enough for me. There you go. Bang, 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 bang. What's up, Mr. Bastard? Yogurt, what's going on? 28,300. Oh, yikes. Nice and easy. Let's take it easy, all right? Let's take it easy. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. See if it bounced off the 5-minute cloud, too. Right off the cloud. So this thing's going to be strong again, all right? 830 orbital is 4180. What? Say it again? Yo, 830 orbital is 4180. Mess me up with your lingo, Mr. Dad. All night. I could barely hear the music. Really? Man, we're gonna start with this again. Can anybody else? Is anybody else having trouble hearing it? Up 830 today. Total is 4180. Wow, you're doing great, dude. Now what do we do, Mr. Dad? What do we fucking do? Now what do we do? Now what do we do? Yeah. Yeah. That's gotta be good, dude.
You ready?
Gotta be more clear, the music. Yogurt, stop. You're hurting me.
Cited by Tasnim News says the US is getting closer to the 0 hour for operations against Central Command naval units in region's waters.
It clearly bounced off the 5-minute cloud.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase.
Okay, Let's see how this reacts here.
And Tanzania News also citing Iran's army as saying movements and equipment of the US Army are under supervision of the Navy.
Like, Mr. Dad, you literally have enough for a payout now. A full payout. Just trade 1 micro and get your 250 or whatever it is a day. 200 a day. Guys, do me a favor. Give me 10 likes each and share the stream to yourself. Share the stream to yourself. All right, we still need it to close below 857s. Yeah, MNQ and Nasdaq have been acting different. All right, is this a close? No, it's not. Holiday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, this looks like it wants to short. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yogurt says, I'm going to blow this PA even though I got 700 leverage. Come on, man. Hey, Yogurt. Stick your hand up your butthole. Uh-oh, this thing dropped way too fast. It already hit TP. I don't want to chase it. Let's see where the 5 is. We could probably take another jab at a long at 800s. Did that help, Yogurt? All right, I'm going to short this. It's all right. It's got to go to 800s. I would ideally like to be up here at 852s. There you go, Daddy. Let's go. A little more. I still think it hits the cloud here on the 5. And that's about 798. And I have my TP at 802. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm still on this short. Almost stopped out and was about to full port. Need to chill. Yeah. Walk away. Guys, I'm giving away a pro account. When should I do it? With my 6 viewers on here. Yeah, go take a 2-minute break, bro. Go walk. All right, we're out. We're out. Ooh. Now, this could long. I don't want to try it. Stop loss would probably be, I don't know. These are weird. You have to give it some room. Hoping it's going to keep bouncing like it has been when it touches the cloud here. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay, closed. I'm break even. Need to walk. Go take a walk. Come back and hang out with me. The 4-hour was broken, huh? Are we gonna get a bounce or what? Holiday. How are you guys doing today so far? Are you guys in profit? You're struggling? You want me to shut the F up? Yeah, I went along this. All right, added one more. That nice little wick off. I would assume it's at least going 851s, the first one, and then we'll see if it wants to continue back up. You're in profit? Very good, Shannon. Very good. All right, one out, one out. Yeah, I got in the long on the 5-minute bounce. I shorted, got out, won, and now I got long because it's been bouncing off this 5-minute cloud here for sure. It might come down and bounce again off 789s. I'm not sure yet. Wild thing. Wild thing. Not as strong as I would like it. Okay, so we're going to come down here. We're going to test it again. I already got one out in profit. So we're at break even probably right now if I lost this part. Okay, bounce, baby, bounce. Bounce, baby, bounce. Yogurt, you said you walked away. $738 first target. Oof. I don't want that with me in here. I mean, it's only right here, but still. Thought it was going to bounce here for sure. Still could get the bounce. Ooh, getting down to your area. Pump the jam. Oh, why? If it don't work, then I will just watch Daddy trade. There you go, yogurt. I went to pee and back. Went in short last try. TP all the way. Oh my god, you're saying all the way down? I'm in a long. But I'm going off of a bounce chance. Because it likes to bounce off the 5. It could break and fall. If it does fall, we could go to 600s. Oh, a place to stay.
Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill.
Value Sensei. Value Sensei.
Won't fucking bounce though. It like died. If we sweep, I'm okay with that too. It was a gamble play, but we got out half at 851s. So a good 20 points, and now we are 40 points. So this would be a loss. I'm literally throwing a blind dart since I feel we dropping, but at the same time we collapse Asia and London, so who knows if we dump the F up. Alright, we're about to find out right now. Didn't know you got into the long. I did one order, got in again lower, and set new one to break even and price out and made 20, but better than losing. Yeah, I'm trying to see what happens here.
Daddy, chill.
I was thinking a sympathy bound. Oh, I'm gonna try one long here again off the 23 here. Oh, place to stay. Yeah, I'm in pretty small, so it doesn't hurt me that bad. We break above 72s, we Gucci. If we don't, I'm fucked. Looking good though. As soon as this candle closes, it should be a long. It needs to close above 72s. It's still got to close there first. Jeez. These are hard to get in. If it pulls back, then we can get in one more. Okay. One more. Should come up. We're in 3. Can't go higher than that. 823s, 825s we're targeting. Stop loss would be below this low. It's gonna suck if I'm wrong, but we gotta accept our loss. What a bitch, bro. Got the thriller. Sticking to my stop loss. I might take some out as soon as it goes green, just because I really don't want to get back 120 if I'm wrong. But I could be wrong, period. If I do lose this one, it's probably going to get choppy a bit. Fuck you. It's going to fall. Let me take this off so I don't lose all my profit. I didn't mean to do 3. It's going to fall. So we're wrong. Look at the 5. It's not holding. Come on, load. Hurry up. Where's the 15? We're at the 15 now. So did SpaceX, someone said in Discord that they just, nothing bad happened, right? They just skipped it? It was ignited and quit. Okay. Yikes, you're in a long. What making you go long? feel like we're gonna go to the orb high, no? Upside down. That's the 200. I'll take one out. All right, we're out. We're out. A little upset that that one didn't hold, but we were able to capitalize when it collapsed. Ah. 5 viewers in TikTok, dude.
Daddy?
I'm telling you, this shit's
Daddy?
already
Is that
broken.
you? Is that you?
No fucking way. Let me see. I'll ask Grok this time. Mr. Bob! Open, it goes up. Telling you something wrong with my fucking TikTok. AI says it's not. I think there fucking is something wrong. TikTok agent said something was wrong. It's really high on my end, Mr. Bastard. And I check it on my phone and it's high. For the reason why. Now it's low. What the fuck? It's not me. Now it's low. Ah! Guys, I'm gonna restart everything on the fucking TikTok. Anyways, I'm like, just not being seen. I can go fuck myself with this. I'll be back in 3 minutes. I somehow need to do YouTube. If YouTube will just pick up, I'll go straight there and kick. Fuck a TikTok, dude, at this moment. I've never been stressed over some stupid-ass app. I turned off TikTok, so I'm not really talking into it because it likes to abuse me. It's such a bitch. I never had a fucking issue with a damn TikTok in my entire fucking life. That's how stupid it is. I gotta turn off TikTok just to talk shit about it. I think most of my frustration and money loss was because of fucking TikTok. I'd probably be a quadruple millionaire right now, making wins if TikTok wasn't an issue in the back of my mind. Here comes the orb high. So done with it. Yeah, we got a nice line right here. I just can't fight it. Hopefully the music's up higher again. But let's see what's going on. So we got a 15-minute sweep. You drop down to the 1 minute time frame. You can see that it just swept below the 15-minute low, which is basically the support and resistance. And now it's trying to go back into this bracket, the 15-minute. Now, if it closes above these yellow line, this is a long. But we got to wait so we don't get smacked. As soon as it closes above this yellow line, we'll be going long. Still got 36 seconds. Now, if it doesn't close above and uses resistance, it could short it. But it's still difficult to do because the next candle can go up and rip to the upside. But as of right now, it's rejecting. The 1.23 is also there, the extension. All right, we're waiting to see, waiting to see. Looks like it rejected it. And the longer it takes, doesn't look too great. So we only got like 3 minutes left for it to rip up. So I'm going to think that it's not yet. It's not ready. Not ready to go up yet. Price is kind of going a little bit sideways since almost 12 minutes now in this area, this zone. So it needs to break out eventually to the upside or the downside. Let's see. But it did not close above that resistance line. And now it's stuck in between the orb high and the resistance. If we can get it to go above this resistance line and close, then we'll go long and probably target like 2806. It might even continue up. Look at the 15-minute time frame. It's still deciding if it wants to go above this cloud again. If it doesn't, then it's just gonna lose momentum. Is it way better? Yeah, I don't know what's the deal with this silly app. The worst app ever. All right, looks like it's still fighting, still fighting. They might want to swipe this hour low too. Let's go. To the moon. So we had one loser. One loser, but we turned it into a winner. So it's like, I'm still working on the reversals. Give to you guys. Now we could swipe down to 665s too. So we're kind of stuck in between here. We don't know exactly what it wants to do yet. I'm also affiliated with Day Trade. I need to figure out how to make one of those banners. Why can't I edit it? Always up to no good. And now affiliated with Trade Day, guys. Same code. This thing is going sideways. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we'll be doing a pro giveaway today. At we'll do it at 4. So we'll take a break and then later on we'll. Okay. I need to do a fire icon. So giveaway will be done at 4 o'clock today. On YT. All you gotta do is just join it. And then you can stay on TikTok at the time. I need to grow my YT for a backup just in case. So it's worth $110. Quite a lot of money. There's no volume at all on YouTube? Or no music? Let me check on my end. It should be fine. Checking. Checking. I just heard it. You ready? I just heard it. You ready? So my voice is on there. There's just no music. Oh. Anything else? YT sound? Don't know why. Just me. I don't know. Maybe restart. YT. You definitely can hear me on there. I just tested it myself. There is no music on there though. I did have like background music before. I just took it off the other day because I feel like I'm getting flagged for some. One of the songs must be secretly put in there for copy. All right. I mean, I've literally talked for minutes. I'm telling you, this shit's broken, bro. There's no way. There's no way that this is not broken. TikTok. There's no way. I'm not crazy. Even like just swipe throughs, I should have more. Fuck you. I just want to fight everybody on here. I'm on there though. I'm on there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe because my engagement's so low. I don't know. If you guys can share to yourselves. Unless you want to share to others too. Alright, we can get them small long here, but it's gonna be died so quick. This is gonna be a scalp. Quick $100. Good bastard, thank you. Who'd you share it to? Myself? What? What? Doing a giveaway today at 4. Your bots? Nice. And we're giving away a Lucid Pro. Worth, I think it's $110. You can dance if you want to. How many hours till 4? 4.5 hours. We'll take a break and come back on. Same thing. Go to Discord. Hit the fire icon. Got to be subscribed to YT. Oof, is that too late for you? I'm sorry. We could dance. We could dance. Ooh, you work overnights, buddy? We can dance. We can dance. Tap that screen. Tap that screen. At least get me to 1,000. We're at 571 likes. Tap that screen. Tap that screen. I'm literally giving away $110 today of accounts. We can dance. All right, what is this gonna do now? Are we gonna? Should I short it again?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Just for a scalp?
Sydney, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Literally just want to scalp this. Because God forbid it breaks through. It's gonna hurt so bad. Why do I feel it's gonna rip through, bro?
Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill.
Stop, chill. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Oh my God, you better reject. I got real shit luck if this breaks through this time. You're such a cock poopy. Insane, bro. See, that's why I got bored. I got fucking bored. Come on. Why did you do this? It's a big loss. Come back down. Now we're closed above it, dude. I can't tell what it's gonna do. Such bullshit. You know, you got 30 minutes of sideways. I get in, and then it boosts up. Every time. Why does it do that every time? Fuck. I just fucked my whole day again. Let's see if it breaks here. Such an asshole. I think it goes. It's a little risky. Come on, crash. Come on. Two things going for me. We got to bounce off the 50 and an OB here. So if it starts rejecting, we're Gucci. I'm holding my breath right now. Six seconds. Come on, come on. Fall. Yes. OB for the win. I got lucky as shit there. Don't do that again.
Iran's IRNA says, citing Bashir deputy governor, says oil tanker empty and docked at Karg Island was again hit by US missiles.
Let me take this 2 off and put it to 1. All right, right to the 50%. I want to short it again. That was kind of a bounce. Only one in, only one in.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader,
It's gonna go up. No, it's gonna go up. It did hit the 50%, so please be careful. Like it did hit our mark. I'm not really liking this again. Yeah, I put that 1.23 extension, and look how it's been using it as support and resistance. And guess what else? Last night it hit the 2.6. I'm assuming we want AM? I don't know. I gotta see. Still holding it at OB, guys. Still holding that OB. These can come right back down to the 50. Needs to break back out below this box. Looking good. Should hit 705s, to be honest with you. You miss whip it. Looking good.
Meta shares fall 5.1%, on track for the biggest one-day percentage decline in a month if current levels hold.
You must give one. A long day, brother. I mean, we're really blocking this OB here, but it might break out and go up. I mean, it swung twice. I should have closed it. Still never went below that sweep candle. I mean, it went below, but never closed. It just soul collected every time. Giveaway today, guys, at 4 p.m. Join my free Discord in bio. Go to the giveaway, hit the fire icon. Read the directions there. Very simple. And then just be here. Fuck, this thing is ripping up. I'm gonna close it because you know it's gonna keep going. Fellas. Get your ass up there, bro. Let's see if the 15-minute what it did. Oh, so 15 minutes huge, and it didn't close below it. So we can continue up still. The hourly still didn't do shit. So we're probably gonna go back up, hit the 78 above the 1 hour. Unless it reverses here at 75, but I don't know, I got my doubts on this one. Bonus! Fuck you, dude. Kinda messing me up here. That 4 hour was used as resistance again. Balance. Just like that, it adds up quick. The losses.
Daddy?
I'm a
Is that you?
maniac, maniac. I'm assuming someone subscribed somewhere. It takes a minute to pop up on my screen. There it is.
Amir! Welcome to the cell, Daddy. And thank you for joining YT.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, come on, bro. Add it in because it's on the 1 minute cloud and the OB top. We should get a little bounce. Where it goes to, I have no idea, but we're not going to go too crazy with this one. Because it's just like going up, chopping, going up, chopping. I want to go in one more, but let's leave it at 3. No fucking way. It's like rando price action here. We didn't even get the midline of the OB. 1 minute. We're still on there. It looks like it's curling, but 50% on top of the OB. It should bounce. It should bounce to the upside. What's up, Stevie? Why is today piss you off? Antonio. Yeah, the PA is a little weird. Come on, get there. Yeah, to engulf it, look like it's gonna go up and then fall, or vice versa. Come on, get up there, get up there. And I can't tell what it's gonna do. Hey, at least it's break even, dude. Hopefully you're green, but you know, better than a loss. It seems like last night was the way to play. Last night was insane. Just keep moving. A lot of movement last night. Yeah, Friday's hit or miss, man. The problem is that I'm not really trading at night. I got on at like 11 o'clock yesterday, but 11 p.m. But I didn't stream because I'm like doing other bullshit, and then like I'm not on a lot, but yeah, it looks crazy outside, Stevie. Like you go outside and you're like, what the fuck? The sun's blocked out. It smells like smoke. Ah, yogurt. Did you really? But dude, yeah, it looks fucking crazy. Yeah, Pittsburgh, you're probably even worse, dude. All my son's sports are canceled. It is kind of weird. It's crazy though. So I remember it like what was it last year? It was like this, but I feel like this time is worse. I don't remember blocking out the sun. Oh, 23. That's when it was? I thought it was last year. Yeah, I'm sure it happens in Arizona a lot more than you think. I'm gonna close this. Yeah, yogurt, this is not easy, bro. I'm like spinning my wheels a little bit. Oh, Washington, that's even probably worse. All those forests. Whoa! Gold? I haven't been trading golds. Like, you see how it's just chopping? These are the scary ones, because soon as I get in this bitch, it's gonna fall on me. See, this is glitching. Holy sweeps. There we go. See, like, you gotta reload this thing. It's because there's so much math going into this, probably. I'm gonna have to put that on my PDF too, because did you get in long on that, Shannon? Thing is fucking ripping. So this won't be anything until it rips above, and then it'll short. Like 844s on MNQ. Yeah, gold's just ripping. Dude, yeah, yo, this is a really difficult price action, so. VQ 37. I don't know, it's a little bit difficult to trade. Does look up though, no? Yeah, I don't know what to do with these. Would that mean I flip it? Am I supposed to flip these levels? So next level would be 42s. For gold. Back was on a meeting I was right about long, but got out because I was scared. It got really rough though. Definitely deciding. 96. You had a little bit of draw down there. But like when it got down to 71. Whew, there he goes. Alright, might get an hourly short. A 5-minute candle. But I would assume it wants up here. 29K. You said continue dropping? Ripping up, brother. Most likely 988. You're testing shorts now? What do you see, brother? I don't see anything yet, to be honest with you. I don't see any news. I have my news channel on. I don't see nothing. refresh it just in case. I need some more pump up music, bro. What retest for the long? But what level's your retest? Going for the 23s. I think this keeps going, guys. I don't want to get in yet. What's up, gang? Poncho. Poncho the poncho. Wait and see if it bounces off 30-minute orbs. I didn't do the box yesterday. No reason to flip. Why would you not flip? Look at these levels up here. That doesn't make sense. I think I'm right and you're wrong. Oh, wait. The 78's there. Oh, that's PMs. So AM would say it's extension. Like, I like that better. But A off. And we have until 29,000, right? Yeah. Whoa, daddy. I'm going to buy now. Oh, wait. I got my fucking manipulation candle. I better be careful. I might be done there. I'm gonna take it out. Let's not be stupid. Let's not be stupid. Stay on course. This is a short until A64s. Could be a much bigger one. Oh wait, the new
Axios
hourly
are sending
started.
dozens more refueling planes to Israel ahead of a possible escalation. Axios
Hold
citing
on,
three
hold on.
US officials.
Okay, so
So some
It closed
strengthening oil
below.
prices here, as again Axios report that the US is sending dozens of more refueling planes to Israel ahead of a
Well, hello everybody. This is
Shut
Donald
the
J.
fuck
Trump.
up. What are you
You're
doing?
behind.
So 64 should be the target for minimum. I was hoping a pullback first. Hold on. I gotta talk to myself like that so I don't get off track, you know what I mean? It didn't hit target yet, so if we pull back, I'm gonna short this. Shortinger longer? What? Shortinger longing? I was hoping if it hits here, then it hits here, then we gotta wait for another setup, but... see, it's gonna hit our TP already, bro. Well, let's look at the 5-minute. Let's see what this is. I have a feeling the 5-minute's gonna be this candle, whatever this is. But we still got 2 minutes. But that hit our TP like instantly
Daddy?
if we were to take it. But
Daddy,
the
is
candle
that
was
you?
huge.
Is that
Hard
you?
to trade these.
Daddy, chill.
Hurrah, Honcho, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
This is going to be hard to play out, period. It just like dumped too quick. So we hit TP, so this could bounce up. We don't know yet. If I wasn't short, this would have been my TP, but this candle was too big to short it. But U.S. sending dozens of more refueling planes to Israel ahead of possible escalation. Let's just end this. What are we doing? What are we doing? Making Trump look bad, bro. Just end it. At this point, I don't think anybody cares if they just blow him up.
Oil rising to a session
Or does that
high.
mean to say?
Brent trading above $87 a barrel. Again,
Or is that
move
wrong
to the
to say?
upside coming after the Axios article that the US is
More of
sending
a
dozens
question.
more
I'm not
refueling planes
stating
to
I
Israel
believe
ahead of
in
a
this.
possible escalation.
Okay.
US yields rising to the day's highs as well on reports of the US-Iran escalation.
The 5-minute breaks, we can fall down 8/10s. I feel like it's going to. But, you know, this is a huge fucking candle, guys. I don't... But this should hit 8/10s, depending on how this 5-minute closes. But then you got this decision, right? You're like, cool, you know, a nice 60 points. But there's also 100 points that this can pull back and then fall. So you're like, pick your poison there. Pick your poison. You really don't want to hold through that. It does look like it wants to straight fall, but I need another reason to short right from here. Let's see if it's divergent too. It is divergent. Divergence means you got your top on your candlesticks here on your first swing. You go to the RSI and you see that we got our highs here on the upper limits of the line, and then you go to the next swing high. Now go back down to the RSI. Is that RSI swing high higher than the previous swing high? It's not. So price went up above, but the steam stopped steaming on the RSI, so it's telling you that it's losing momentum. Really curling there. So this is like real. Trump's social media platform will now sell his live data feeds. This means big hedge funds can now get faster access to Donald Trump's market moving tweets. Like, is that allowed? Is that allowed? I don't agree with that, dude. I really don't, actually. I don't agree with that either, at all. No, you gotta pay for it. You gotta pay for it, though. I don't really like it. It's very unpresidential, in my opinion. But yeah, so much for people are commenting. So much for regulations. Yeah, agreed. I don't agree with this. It's almost like insider trading. You guys agree with that? Like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't agree with it. Sounds like a big total BS. All right, so we might get a short here off this OB. This is like a perfect setup here if it rejects. All right, I'm shorting. 883s will be my TP. Completely just rejected the order block. And again, we were kind of looking for this swing down, but it never came about. But I like these clear as day, you know. It's a good swing down, up at least 61%. very clear on the action. It was a very strong drive up. Those strong drive ups into it when they get rejected like that gives me a sign that it's going to fall. It is bouncing off the cloud a bit. Bearish or bullish? I'm thinking bearish weekend. What do you think, Mr. Antonio? Definitely bearish. Especially because they're saying they're going to Israel to fuel up. Prepare for a bigger battle. Like, what the F? Should be dumping, bro. Should be dumping. Now I got
Daddy?
35 people in my
Daddy, is that
TikTok.
you?
So
Is
confused.
that you?
Golden Goose!
Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Make sure you guys tap that screen, follow, and if you can, give it a little share, baby. Give it a little share. Because it's so close that there is faster and easier to refill there. Also, remember, you're saying out loud you don't agree with him, and they love it. Ooh, I don't agree with Trump! I just don't agree with him selling his information so you can get a faster intel, insider intel. Any tips? 31 backwards, just getting started. Yeah. Practice first. Don't use your hard-earned money. And then once you learn, use prop firms. You can get, like, say, Lucid. You can get an $80 account. Gives you $50,000 buying power. If you pass their test, you got to pass their test first, make $3,000 without losing $2,000. A little bit extra rules in between. You just got to read them. Then anything after all your profit, you can take out 50% of it. So better than putting in 2 G's in and losing it. That's for sure. Also, guys, I am now affiliated with Trade Day. Trade Day's got a pretty cool count that nobody else is offering. So you got daily payouts on Trade Day. Here's the catch. It's 5 days to pass with 35%, which means you got to trade it normal. Don't try to bum rush it all in one day. So don't make more than $1,000 a day. No problem. Right? So just trade it normal. Once you're funded, you can take a payout anything that's past $250. So day one, you make $600. You could take a payout. But say you took $600 out. They keep $300 and you take out $300. Sounds like a ripoff, right? But no other prop firm's doing that. You need a buffer to take a payout. Even like the daily payouts, like on like Take Profit Trader, you need a buffer. You need a buffer. So they offer you can take anything out instantly. You just got to do the 50% they're taking. Unless you get over 4,000. If you get over 4,000, then you can take out no penalty. I think it's like the 80-20 split. So kind of cool. You know, it's different. Nobody else, and it's your choice. I like the option of getting your choice. Like you don't got to take it out. You can hold it to 4,000 if you want to try to take out the payout. Or say you just got some bangers every day, $600. Like today, we're up 740 on one account. If I took that out, I get to keep $320 without waiting. But you do get rid of 320, so that's like the downside to it. But you're getting paid. Economy. Trade day. Same code, bully, all caps, BULLY. Guys, I'm also affiliated with TradeSyncer. I think you get 20% off the first month, and then it's 10% off after that. Use code bully, all caps again. Wow, is this gonna go down or what? All right, that's a sweep candle right here.
New York Times
Sweep
reporting
candle.
that Meta is in talks to lease computing power to Anthropic.
2 micros is 125 bucks. Insane, guys. Make sure you guys are sizing correctly. Do not
Again, the New York Times are saying that
size too
Meta
high.
is in talks to lease computing power to Anthropic in a potential $10 billion deal. So a deal would underline how scarce computing power is for AI development and
It's gonna be
could
a
create
perfect
a new
short if it
business for
happens
Meta.
correctly.
Meta is in talks to rent computing power from its
If this
artificial
OB
intelligence
holds,
data centers to Anthropic in a deal that could be worth as much as $10 billion over 2 years. This is according to 3 people with knowledge of the discussions.
Meta in talks to lease computing power to Anthropic. Bold move. Pretty good move, though. Pretty good move. Everybody knows Anthropic's on the throne right now. Grok's trying to push it off. Grok's pretty
Meta
damn
shares
good,
are
their new
quickly
one.
pairing losses. They are still
You're behind the markets. If you're a real
Come on, let's get a fall down. If it doesn't, fuck, it's going to keep pushing up to 2902. Come on, just need a fall below this.
For those interested, the New York Times article is on the feed for those interested.
I don't know. You're like, you can't bribe somebody to do something and then prosecute them. There's a major law. Well, you can, right? Like a control. It's like a controlled buy kind of situation. But you can't tell people that they won't get in trouble, right? Like if you pay for my service, you can use it. So I could see that being a huge lawsuit too. Because he is a person of authority. So if you're basically saying that you're not going to get in trouble and then get him in trouble, it's a big no-no. You're like coercing him. Still holding very Gucci here. I'm saying if people bitch about it, it opens a door he might want open to close other, like in Congress. He might want to stop them, and he can't get to stop, and he's doing this to make them. So you're saying that everybody has an even playing field? But you're still charging people. You're still charging people. I know this didn't close yet, but I think this goes down. We're already in the short. We got the OB there.
Yemen's defense minister, cited by Tasnim News, says that we warn the aggressor countries, and specifically the Saudi enemy and its allies, about imposing a blockade on Yemen, that all options are available to the Yemeni armed forces.
Huge candles, guys. Huge candles. All right, we had our first TP. We'll have to see if it continues down. I don't know. If it stalls too much, I'm just going to take it. All right, there it goes. All right, we're close enough. Taking TP. Bang, bang, bang! You're still in the short? Yeah, this could easily keep going down. To 809s. Let's go over the reason why we shorted this. So, 15-minute high and low creates support and resistance. Drop down to 1-minute time frame. The 1-minute candle rips through, breaks above that resistance on the 15-minute high, and then it completely rejects, says, nah, just so collected everybody. Everybody that went long is now stuck. We wait until price starts to fall below that manipulation candle that tried to break, called the sweep candle. We also have an order block here, this purple candle, that is completely holding and rejecting. So we got two reasons now why this should fall. So we enter in short right on the break of that sweep candle. You could wait for it to close, but we would have never gotten into this if it closed down here. But because there's an order block, that is holding too. I got in earlier. TP was around the 50 to 61% of the 15-minute candle that we were playing, and you can see that we just hit it, baby. Bang.
Daddy, chill.
Hit the clip button. Do you guys like those little things that I keep sending out like that? I'm trying different shit so I can get more attention. I felt like that was a very clear, concise, and to the point, which I like. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you. I'm a straight to the point kind of guy, you know what I mean? Thank you, Mr. Bob. But I meant like my explanation. Like I've been clipping those clips. I go over it, and then I clip it, and then I post it. Very quick and to the point. I have an entire PDF that I'm going to be releasing on my strategy. I need to figure out when to record it.
And so Financial Times reporting that Trump media has pitched a $100,000 monthly fee for the fast feed of the president's posts on Truth Social.
Bully president? Yes. Especially as you take the trade. I try to do it as I take the trade. Port View, what's up?
So this is with regards to the Axios article that we heard yesterday, which did initially unveil that
what are you
Truth
up
Social
total,
was going
Mr.
to
Dad?
license its data to financial service companies in the form of an API of Trump's Truth Social posts. Again, we're now hearing
What are
that
you up
Trump media
total?
has pitched a $100,000 monthly fee for a fast feed of the
This
president's
is another
posts.
OB here. Technically, you can long this for a scalp right now. Yeah, you can scalp this right now. I might try it. Just one. If you go from the swing high to the swing bottom,
The FT article is on the feed for those
909
interested.
should hit. We'll do 908s. Wait, $100,000? No way. No way. Come on, tell me that's not crazy. I don't agree with that, man. 4556. I know you're on fire, Mr. Dad, but you're already at max payout, brother. Gonna feel nice to get a $2,000 check. Bang. There's your win. Okay, good, good, good. Even though it's a really hard market to trade, we're doing pretty good. Ah, gotcha. You can't help resisting, huh? Can't help the resistance. Whoa, that thing went way higher than I thought. So wait, Mr. Bassett, are they saying they're going to charge $100,000 for Trump's stuff? Oh my God, it is. It does say that. Trump Media pitched a $100K monthly fee for fast feed for president's posts. Insane! It's insane. I don't. That's so unpresidential, though. I don't like it. I don't like it. Trump, it's a really bad move, and I don't agree to this. Dirty Friday. I think there's more that we're not seeing. I hope so, bro. Oh, Ramstein, sorry. I did change it. I like Ramstein, but I didn't want that one. This is a good song. You want to put on Mi Chico? Mi Chico? El Nino, How Can I Live? Okay, after this. Wake up! What's up, put on a little makeup? I cry. That was another OB here that it denied. It needed to go up like 2 points, though. In my self-righteous suicide, I cry when angels. I cry when angels. What's up? Fall into your hands, I commit my spirit. Why have you forsaken me? In your heart's forsaken me. Forsaken me. Forsaken me. Cry. Guys, hit that follow button. Give me 10 likes and hit the share button. Don't be a greedy little prick. When angels deserve to. Next song requested. This is it? This is it? You're like me. You like different music. Way different taste than what you were showing me yesterday. We're kind of stuck in between here, guys. Until it breaks out. Oh, thank you. I like all, baby. Until we break out of this, we ain't doing nada. Nada, nada, nada. Chop. Donna on YT. You made $100? How? You just bouncing back and forth? VQ? Off that sweep you called out, I just took the short. Bought back, caught a micro on the way up. Nice. Yeah, if you're interested, free Discord in the bio. This indicator is available now to you guys. I do need to release the PDF in a how-to video, but it is available to you guys. There's a 30-day free trial. After that, it is
Daddy?
$1 a day.
Is
Gotta
that
at
you?
least charge for my work. Other than that, everything else is free. I like helping, but I ain't no jackass. Working for free. Who works for free in this town, in this economy? Time is money, baby. Money is time. You fair, nice up 2.4K more. I am up $2,418. I didn't even realize it. We gotta wait until it gets out of this chop. I don't want to just risk my money, you know. Oh, it says it's not available. Let me update that real quick. Shouldn't, but we'll do it anyway. We'll update it. Maybe it just expired.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
It works. I just clicked on it. Yeah, I'm on everything. I'm on every platform, VQ.
Ethan Crawford, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Put it. Wait, edit it. Customize channel. I should go to Linktree and add that instead. Because now you can see everything. Okay, Linktree should work. I'm gonna put Linktree in there instead. I mean, it keeps bouncing. If you guys want to risk the bounces, you can. I mean, it keeps bouncing. If you guys want to risk the bounces, you can. Sorry about that. So yeah, Trade Day I'm affiliated with. It took a while to get affiliated with them. Affiliates are pretty hard lately to get. I'm a little happy. Hopefully we can bring some new ways of getting paid out. I really think it's another new wave that we can get onto for sure. Summer Sem? That one. Is the music too loud on TikTok? Because I had to change it because it wasn't working before. This it? Antonio? There it goes. All right, 1 minute. All right, we're up, and breaking away. All right, here's another one. Let's see. It needs to close below it, though. You see how it just wicked past and then continued? So... $9.55. Oh, did you go long? All right, there's that 78. Kind of want a short one or two there. Just for quick TP. It's just a gamble, you know. It's pouncing on the 78% extension. Just quick money. Should come down lower, but I don't want to be you know, it's not always a guarantee. It's gonna go or what?
In 10 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, see the release of the weekly Baker Hughes rig count numbers. Total rigs are prior of 581, oil rigs are prior of 455.
All right, little scalper. Thing is ripping.
So Apple is in early settlement talks with the US Department of Justice over an antitrust suit.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Israel's Channel 12 saying so far the Americans have not communicated any plans to bring additional refueling aircraft to the airport. The plan to reduce the number of aircraft to approximately 20 is still ongoing. So again, this is Israel's Channel 12 denying earlier reports that the US is sending dozens more refueling planes to Israel ahead of a possible escalation.
Backtracking. I don't know what this is gonna do, if it keeps going up or not.
In 5 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, we get the release of the weekly Baker Hughes rig count numbers. Total rigs saw a prior of 581, while oil rigs saw a prior of 455.
You gonna take another trade, or are you done for today? I'm waiting for a trade, bro. I can't force it. There's no trades right now. Can we try it again? This is actually easy.
We're shortly expecting the weekly Baker Hughes rig count numbers.
No.
Why are they so bad?
Okay, starting to move
Order
back up
account
again.
452, 452.
I guess that was an order block. We could have taken it, but it's still risky.
And total rig count 588, 588.
Okay, there's a sweep candle. Might be a short. Come on. But it's already at the 50% retracement. I'm not longing that, no. Could be the beginning of a downtrend. Let's see what the 5-minute is here, because so this is the manipulation candle. If 5-minute closes below this, then it's a good short to at least probably 900s. 5M. 1 minute. We got the close here. It already hit the 50%, so I'm not going to take this, unfortunately, but it is a short. It is a short. I mean, it could play out into a much bigger one, though. That's why I'm, like, hesitant and, like, thinking about shorting it. Let's see if it pulls back a little bit more, like 20s, and then I'll short it. Here, I'll even put it in. Because then I would only have, like, a 15-point stop loss, which I'm okay with.
According to Tasnim News, they say the oil tanker Belma NA-22 has been struck by 2 American missiles for the second time. As a reminder, we had an early headline: the tanker, which is currently empty, was docked on Carg Island. So it's saying there's been attacked for the second time.
50% right now. I don't know if I'll get my fill. And again, this could be wrong, so please size correctly. I'm almost planning on it being wrong, but it's a nice. See, that's damn it. It's gonna miss me by like 2 points, isn't it? The fill. Because I'm thinking maybe the 5-minute play might come in. It's gonna go down 937s, which would be a nice fucking move. Who's the artist on this song right here? Missing by Yara Lena. Missing by Yara Lena.
Just a reminder, just a reiteration from Tasnim, not any new news there. Apologies.
Damn, this thing's gonna fucking fall. It's not gonna pull back, is it? I don't want to chase it though, guys. Antonio. All right, I'm in. But again, this could be an easy fucking stop out. I'm okay to lose $15. It looks like it's kind of bullish. Those elves. I don't know what elves is. All right, I'm stopped out. So our first TP hit, it was just a gamble. That was a gamble. Said my shit, bro. Not too late to long. Yeah, it might chop. I don't know, dude. Ooh. I forget how to do the alerts. I like the banjo. Okay. 0.92 is a target. Um, it's pissing you off? Yeah, it's just grinding, VQ. It's been on an uptrend since New York Open. It is and it's not. So, like, it ripped up and pulled back pretty massive. Then it ripped up and then it started chopping. So, it's still pretty difficult to trade because the candles are so large. If you just get in, like, oh, it's gonna be an uptrend, but one candle could be 100 points, and it feels like eternity, like a huge loss. In reality, it's just a slight pullback. Back to the Asia orb. What number payout are you on before you go live? I think 5 you need. You need 5 payouts. If you're asking me, I'm on none right now. I had to reset last week. I'll get to like 3 and keep fucking resetting. But I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to not be as reckless. I'm trying to do 2 micros and chill. 29, 137.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that
Oh,
you?
it's me.
Take me to the king. Welcome to the cell, Daddy. Also, VQ, I don't know when you followed, but thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, you see how like this keeps putting around? Like it's long, but it's putting around.
Daddy, chill.
The voice of the beast. This is actually a voice changer that I have on now to make me fit in. This is my real
voice. Well, I don't want to scare anybody. Everybody keeps saying, like, oh, stop, you're scaring me, you're scaring me. So I'm like, I gotta fit in. I gotta fit in.
So like this is me fitting in. You know? This is me fitting in. I want to be liked. I want to be liked.